So in effusion cytology, there's not many, but there are a few patterns that are specific to diseases. I'm just going to show you one of those, which is rheumatoid arthritis. It has quite a distinctive presentation in effusion specimens. So involvement of the pleura with rheumatoid is quite common, but for it to be symptomatic is reasonably rare, so only about 3 to 5% of patients. And essentially this presents as a granulomatous inflammation of the pleural cavity. What we see cytologically is very distinctive, a very dirty background to the slides that's made up of a lot of debris and foamy macrophages. It's scattered amongst that, like here, you'll see giant cells. Notice all this debris around the place. You really don't see that in other benign findings in the pleura. And scattered all amongst that will be predominantly foamy macrophages and giant cells. Here's a nice giant cell. You can see it's got interesting cytoplasm with sort of foaminess and vacuolation and maybe some material inside it, and then a lot of nuclei that are all quite similar. Typical histiocytic macrophage type cytoplasm there. So you generally see very few mesothelial cells, if any, in these specimens. The entire specimen is made up of debris, of macrophages, and of giant cells. On the air-dried slide here, you can see the same findings really. Just a high power on the air-dried, nice macrophage morphology with very foamy sort of cytoplasm, some ingested material. So in summary, rheumatoid effusions are characterised by those particularly three things: abundant debris, multinucleate giant cells, histiocytes, and often I didn't show you any there, but you will see quite elongate, sort of almost spindly like histiocytes present.